What is economics?
Economics is a social science that looks at how people decide to use scarce resources to satisfy their wants. Do you know what scarcity is?
Yes, scarcity is the fundamental economic problem. Everywhere around the world, people have unlimited wants, but we have limited resources. An example of this for our world is the fact that oil is a scarce resource that is used all over.
That is a nice pair of sneakers that you have. Do you know what kinds of things go into making them?
My economics teacher taught me about the factors of production. For everything that is produced, you must have natural resources, capital resources, human resources and entrepreneurship. The entrepreneur brings the other factors together to make the product.
Oh, then natural resources come from the land like wood comes from trees. Human resources must be the workers throughout the process. But what are capital resources?
Capital resources are the machines used for business.
Do you know what an opportunity cost is?
Yes, when we make choices, there are always costs. The opportunity cost is the next best thing that you didn't choose. If you weren't here now, where would you be?
I get it. My next choice would be hanging out at the river on a hot day like this. What do you know about marginal costs and benefits?
Marginal simply means the additional costs or benefits when you make a decision. People look at the marginal costs and benefits to help them decide what to do. Would working out 5 hours at the gym give you more benefits than working out for 1 hour?
I guess not. The marginal benefits would be less than the marginal costs.
Usually we make these decisions in a market. A market is where buyers and sellers make deals or exchanges.
I have heard that economies around the world all have to answer the same questions. What are they?
They all need to figure out what they are going to produce, how they are going to produce it, and or for whom is it going to be produced. Each economic system answers these questions a little differently.
Since you are such an economic genius, can you tell me the difference between microeconomics and macroeconomics?
Yes, microeconomics is the study of individuals and businesses. It looks at things like prices and wages. Whereas, macroeconomics looks at the big picture, the economy as a whole. Things like unemployment and inflation are looked at